Welcome back. As we mentioned in the previous lecture, the recommended way to get started with pandas is to install it as part of a scientific computing distribution. And Anaconda is perhaps one of the best examples of that in data science. Over the next couple of lectures, we will explore a very solid alternative, which is Google Collaboratory. And that is a cloud environment that is very similar to Anaconda, but much more dynamically updated, as well as cloud hosted, so we don't have to use local resources. In this course, I strongly recommend you follow along there and get used to that interface, but let's also cover the local Anaconda installation. All right, so if we head over to anaconda.com, under Products, Individual Edition, we see that Anaconda is an open source toolkit that makes it possible for us to work with thousands of open source data science and machine learning packages. If we click on download, we are redirected to the installers. Depending on your operating system, please choose the installer that applies to you. If you need help with this step, and if you choose to work locally, please refer to Appendix B in the course, where we cover a step-by-step installation of Anaconda and Python on Windows, macOS, and Linux. The graphical installers are relatively straightforward to get started with. Please make sure you use Python 3, not Python 2. We are working with the latest and greatest version of Python in this bootcamp. And after the installation completes, we have several ways of interacting with the Anaconda distribution. One is through the terminal on a Mac or Linux, or the command line or PowerShell in Windows. But let's explore a visual alternative here, and that is the Anaconda Navigator. All right? This provides an interface from where we could launch applications, manage environments, explore learning resources, mostly the official documentations, and even engage with the community. Anaconda ships with more than 250 data science packages already. And Pandas is certainly one of them. So if we head over to environments, we select an environment, and under search packages, we look for Pandas. We see that we have it right there. Through this same interface, we could install more than 7,000 packages that do not come pre-installed, right? More than 7,000. But for this course, we won't really need any of them. All right, let's head back to home and get ready to explore one of the most important applications here, and that is the Jupyter Notebook.